So Melissa, do you want to start us off with strengths or
Sure,
trends
and
for
yeah,
anybody?
so something that a few kids struggled with was the numeric symbolic part of it. They were trying to connect to previous learning, and so they were trying to make a whole. So I had a few kids that said a half plus a third. They were trying to combine it in one whole, even though they're comparing two different ones. So I had a small group of kids that did that. One thing that I'm trying to push the kids to, even the kids that got it right, some of them are saying Miguel drank more water than juice, and that's it. And in the past, we would have accepted that as like the complete sentence, but I'm trying to get them now to explain it and justify, not just hear where they're talking about the steps and how they solved it, but I want more information.
Okay.
So you each actually shared something that was an error or a misconception. Were there some strengths
Yeah.
that you noticed that you wanted to build off of?
I noticed this type of question was similar to our last post-assessment, like the short little unit post-assessment, and the kids really struggled with if we asked them to show a third in a whole, they just drew a line and filled it. They didn't
Liquid.
justify by drawing
Yes.
by drawing the actual. They didn't
Yeah.
partition
The
it to
units.
prove it, and all of them
I
except
have to agree
two
with that.
partitioned and labeled the unit fractions to justify and prove that. So
They
yeah,
finally
that was-
know which one goes with, when you use a number line, when you use an area model, they now have that distinguished. That's awesome, yeah, I agree with that.